humming in this corner all the long December nights, working overtime in silence while you string the Christmas lights. You never really see me, I'm just humming on the wall, but I feel the winter creeping. Every flake, I feel it all. But when the snow starts falling and the frost begins to climb, that's when I know my moment's here. It's finally Christmas time. So I warm this house for Christmas, let the chilly winds blow by. I'll be glowing, gently blowing till the cozy fills the sky. Yeah, I warm this house for Christmas, turn the frosty world to gold, 'cause nothing feels like Christmas when I'm fighting off the cold. I've heard laughter in the hallway, tiny footsteps on the floor, seen the cookies in the kitchen disappear then reappear for more. I might just be a heat pump, but I've watched your family grow, and this season feels much warmer than my thermostat can show. So plug in all your memories, let the moments melt the freeze. I'll keep every room a haven while you decorate the tree. I'll warm this house for Christmas, let the chilly winds blow by. I'll be glowing, chilly blowing till the cozy fills the sky. Yeah, I'll warm this house for Christmas, turn the frosty world to gold, 'cause nothing feels like Christmas when I'm fighting off the cold. Maybe I'm just metal, maybe I'm just air, but I feel the joy you're feeling every time you gather there. And if Santa needs a landing where the snow won't bite his toes, well, I'll keep the living room as warm as Rudolph's nose. I warm this house for Christmas, let the magic fill the air with my step.